Coconut is familiar to all of us. According to the Wikipedia article on coconut, it is one of the most useful trees in the world. Coconut water is also a very popular drink. Almost everyone likes to drink it. The pulp inside can also be used to make many different food items. After taking out the pulp or drinking the coconut water, the hard shell is usually thrown out. But this hard shell is also a very useful raw material for producing an interesting product that is called cocopeat. Cocopeat is a natural fiber that is made out of coconut husk. It can be used as a growing medium for plants. It is a very good alternative to other traditional growing media. It is used in greenhouses, hydroponic growers, seedling nurseries, lawn and golf course constructors, horticulture and floriculture applications, and for home gardening. The following animation shows a machine that takes in coconut shells and produces cocopeats and fibers.